thank you really from the bottom of our hearts. We finally, after all this long time, we're all back, one team, Supportworks, Thrasher. We're all back together. Because of you, that's why we're here, so thank you very much.
As we want to continue to focus and build our culture here as priority number one in our company, we want you to know that this building was intended to be a great perk, to create a great place to work, because you guys deserve it. So thank you for all your hard work, and it's going to be an exciting future.
Thanks to them for just continuing to invest in all of us and taking a leap of faith that we were going to all be able to return that investment.
This tree, this plaque has been donated by this team to celebrate you and to thank you for your commitment to us in all ways, including building this incredible place for us to work.